My name is Muhammad Afim Rahimin and I will present about the introduction. First of all, there are three main points in introduction, which are what is sustainable development, and the second one is the Green Building Index, and the third one is application of sustainable development. First and foremost, for introduction, the sustainable development consists of three main pillars, which are economy, environment and social. And the definition of sustainable development is development that provide the needs to the present time without sacrificing the ability of the future generation to provide their own needs. This quote was taken from Rachel Mas. And the second point is the Green Building Index. The Green Building Index is to evaluate the environmental design and the performance of the building that already built. And the evaluation is based on 6 main criteria, which are energy efficiency, indoor environment quality, sustainable site planning and management, material and resources, water efficiency and innovation. And last but not least is the application of sustainable development. There are 3 examples which are solar panel. Solar panel is function to capture the sunlight and turn it into electrical energy. And wind turbine is also the same, which are transforming the kinetic energy into electrical energy. And the green area is, as we can see in our library, in UTHM library, there are green area inside of the building to maintain a healthy ecosystem.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noradila binti Muhammad Ahmad. My metric number AF200001, and I will explain about the sustainable criteria. Before we start to build our building, we need to consider the sustainable development. The basis of understanding and defining sustainability criteria are the concept of sustainable development and sustainability. Sustainable development has been primarily based on 3 pillar approaches, which are distinguished between economy, social and environment.
Alright, for the economy, we have a life cycle. Life cycle cost analysis is a technique for estimating through the overall cost of ownership of an asset, such as building, across its full usable life. It is connected to life cycle assessment and is also known as the cradle to grave. Okay, cost analysis is included the first construction cost, second maintenance cost, operation cost, occupancy cost, and end of life cost. And then the second one is the economical impact of buildings. Alright, sustainable buildings features can offer owners economic benefits from lower risk, longer building lifetimes, improved ability to attract new employees, reduced expenses for dealing with complaints, less time and lower cost for project permitting, resulting from community acceptance and support for sustainable projects, and increased assets value. For the social, we have improved indoor air quality. Alright, by improved indoor air quality can reduce affected by asthma or respiratory diseases. And we know that children have a weaker immunity than adults, so the learning and productivity affect performance and achievement at the kindergarten. So for the environment, we have a conserve and restore natural resources. Consider the biodiversity of the natural environments and neighboring regions. It can prevent geoparadising the native species, habitats and ecosystem found on the chosen site. And we have to analyze the site and landscape, and we are preferable not to construct too close to high value locations such as ponds, endangered species habitats or breeding sites.
Hi, my name is Nur Adira Sofia binti Adnan. My metric number is AF2031. Today I would like to talk about the sustainable strategies. What is sustainable strategies? Sustainable strategies are plans and effort that a business put into place in order to remain a going concern. These strategies include corporate governance, employee development, innovation, and systematic improvement. In building a sustainable kindergarten, we have 5 sustainable strategies, which is life cycle assessment, material selection, lean construction, water conservation, and energy conservation. The first strategy is life cycle assessment. The environmental impacts of a product are evaluated throughout the course of its useful life. Reduce environmental impact by reusing and recycling resource and reducing waste. The second strategy is material selection. Green construction materials are those that are produced, installed, and maintained in a building without negatively impacting the environment. Other than that, they have to search a material that long-lasting, versatile, and easily recycled. Next is lean construction. Lean construction method of developing production processes in the construction industry with the objective of reducing time, effort, and material waste. The aim the aim of the lean construction is to maximize value and reduce costs associated with construction, project maintenance, design, planning, and activation. The fourth strategy is energy conservation. This is one of the most pressing environmental problems, but it's essential to every modern culture. The energy necessary to maintain the interior environment of a structure might be regarded the structure's operational energy needs. The last strategy is water conservation. This is the process of utilizing water effectively in order to decrease water use that is unnecessary. According to Freshwater Watch, water conservation is essential since fresh, clean water is a rare and expensive resource. As a homeowner, you are likely well aware of the monetary implication associated with wasteful water consumption. That is, this is the effective way to build a strategist green building kindergarten. That is all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liana Natasha binti Muhammad Rashid, metric number AF20024. Today, I will present applications of sustainable strategy. Based on study, LCA goals is to support organization in a better evaluating the environmental impact of the product that help the developing a successful environmental marketing that will give a profit and benefit. For material selection, using this innovative construction material, the sustainable kindergarten would be safe to environment, also safe for the kids to stay in. Construction company can substantially reduce their energy consumption contribution by engaging in the lean construction, which involves applying an efficient lean mindset to much of the design project. This energy conservation method can reduce 15 to 20% of energy using during daylight. This all element was designed to save a lot of energy and it's safe to environment, hence it's one of a great innovation. We may notice a saving in our water costs within the initial months of implementation if we follow the standard procedure or simply use a low pipe system that can also reduce water consumption to save our environment and save money more.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Muhammad Akmal. I will explain about conclusion in this project. My nursery and kindergarten was selected as a green building. The environment, the economy and society are the three characteristics for sustainable development. There are few ways that been proposed to fulfill requirement as a green building, such as life cycle assessment, material selection, lean construction, energy conservation, and water conservation. Green buildings are constructed with the intention of preserving energy and resources, recycling material, and lowering hazardous chemical emissions. Green buildings have the ability to help maintain and enhance human life while conserving the potential of ecosystems. Lastly, green building makes the most efficient use of its resources which save costs for operation, and increase in employee productivity. That's all from us. Thank you.